Jumping into the tutorial, we are taking the Morphe M218 brush and we're going to fluff any type of skin color transition that you have in your eyeshadow collection. I'm taking the shade, I don't know exactly what it's called, but I'm taking the shade in the Jaclyn Morphe palette. And I'm just going to buff that in back and forth just to have kind of a layout of the color so it can transition and blend better. Now I'm taking the Morphe Y15 and we're just buffing any orange shade that you have on the outer part, and then we're going to take it back and forth in windshield wiper motions until you are satisfied with the color. I'm just going to be packing this shade back and forth, back and forth. I start out with packing motions just because I can get more of a color payoff off the shadows, and then we're just going to blend it out and blow it out. My background was playing me, and the background, it literally fell and I didn't see it, so. Now I'm packing a darker shade in the outer corner of the eye, and we're just going to bring it out little by little like we did with the orange shade. Now we're taking our R39 tapered blender and we are going to take a kind of a brownish type of color. We're just focusing that on the outer part of the eye, blending it back and forth in windshield wiper motions. After this, we are going to be taking the M218 again, my fluffy brush, and we're just going to buff everything out, make sure we have no harsh lines. We're gonna go ahead and go in with our gold shade from the Jaclyn palette. I took the gold shade from here and I also mixed it from one in the 39A palette from Morphe. I will be linking everything that I used in the description, but I did take these two shades and I just mixed them together just so I could get as much of the gold pigment as I possibly could, because I didn't really want to use glitter, I just wanted to use a pigment. But afterwards, I am going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics eyeshadow toppers. I think that's what they're called. I did go into it like you see me right here. I didn't use the little dofa applicator just because I really didn't like it. It didn't really set in. It didn't really fit into what I was trying to do. And I didn't really like these eye toppers. As you can see here, I don't know if the camera, or I don't know if you guys can tell, but towards the end it was kind of picking up the product instead of distributing it on top, which is what it was supposed to be doing in the very beginning. So I just took more of the gold shades that I did and I mixed it together and I just plopped it up on my eyelid again because I found that that looked way better. Now we are moving on to our face and we are buffing my favorite foundation of all time, which is the Cover FX Natural Finish Oil Free Foundation in the shade G40. I'm also mixing a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation in the shade 103. I'm taking that on my beauty sponge from Forever 21 and I'm going to be buffing that into my face. our concealer, same as always, Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the shade Light Neutral, Neutral Light. Same difference, we're just going to be buffing that in with our beauty sponge as well. And after we do this, we are going to be baking / setting with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Fair or number 10. I set my under eyes and on the side of my face. Wherever I do get oily throughout the day, that's where I do set, and I find that it helps with this powder especially. Now I'm going to be taking my Lorac Cosmetics Tantalizer, and I'm just going to be bronzing my face up a little bit. / contouring, because I will bake the bottom part of the contour just to make it more crisp. But overall, I'm really just trying to bronze my face so we can give it a little bit of color, because I am pale as can be. And after I get rid of my multiple chins, we are going to be taking a blush, any type of blush you want, any blush you would want to put on your face. We're just going to be putting that on there. And after we do that, we are going to be blinding everybody with our highlight from Anastasia, that Glow Kit. I think it's what it's called, the specific one. I don't know what it is, but as long as it's making me glow, that is all I'm worried about. And after we do this, we are going to be going in with our Dodo lashes. It's not ours, it's Dodo's. I'm going into the style, in the style D105. We're just going to be plopping those on and then putting on some lip gloss. After we do this, we are completely done with this look, and I don't know what that face is. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn your post notifications on. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!